Introducing the next generation of Fisher & Paykel refrigeration. With new designs of flush-fit, easy-clean stainless steel or custom panels. These family-size refrigerators offer a seamless look to the kitchen while providing excellent food care. These refrigerators adapt to suit your lifestyle by streamlining food preparation and organization with smart touch controls, an integrated ice maker, and flexible shelving and storage options. These active smart refrigerators help save energy. As a result, the Fisher & Paykel built-in series carries an ENERGY STAR rating.